Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to automatically delete temporary files in Windows 11. For this, I will use a storage sense feature that is built-in feature in Windows 11 that allows you to automatically delete temporary files on Windows 11. For that, first press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. This will open Windows 11 settings on your PC. Once Settings app appears on your PC, click on this one system option in the left. On the right, you will find a storage. Click on this one. Here, ensure a storage sense toggle is turned on and then click anywhere within a storage sense tile to expand it. Here, you can configure several things. You need to check this one option, then turn on this one toggle automatically user content cleanup. Turn on this and then you can configure several things such as run a storage sense when you want to run the storage sense, every day, every week, every month, or when your PC goes low on disk space. You can select according to your needs. Next one is delete files in my recycle bin. If recycle bin is full or not full does not matter. When you want to delete, never in 1 day, 14 days, 30 days or 60 days. Whatever option you will choose, a storage sense will run automatically and clean that recyclable files on defined period. Next one option is delete files in downloads folder. A storage sense can also delete files that are in downloads folder you downloaded from the internet. If you want to delete, you can select a period or time from the drop down menu such as 1 day, 14 days, 30 days or 60 days. In case you want to never delete downloads folder, you can select never. By default, this one option is selected on your PC. And after configuring these options, if you want to run a storage sense, you can click this one button, run a storage sense now. This will clean your PC according to above configuration. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you have already subscribed and you love this video, you can press thumbs up or share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.